Meaning of Harrods.
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 Harrods. Harrods is a luxury department store located in London, England. Founded in 1834 by Charles Henry Harrod, the store has since become a symbol of opulence and prestige, offering a wide range of high-end products and services. Over the years, Harrods has undergone significant expansions and renovations, resulting in a grand and sophisticated shopping experience for its clientele. The store features elegant merchandise ranging from designer fashion and jewelry to gourmet food and wine. Additionally, it boasts various restaurants and cafes, a spa, and even a personal shopping service to cater to the needs of its affluent customers.